Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to this video. And let's start from there where we left it about our plugins. And let's check my charging, remove the charger, and first of all let's roll the intro. Now let's move to our topic. Here is our plugin. I think where I have left it, I think yes, nothing changed. We have left it that our plugin send picture only to us, not in any group. We have tested in a group. So if I send a pic and name it as hacker, it will send me picture. Let's see. Okay, this picture is looking cool. Okay, but if here is a mask, then it looks like really cool. But we are not a photographer, so it is only sending messages to me because I have put it here me. So how you can get the ID to which you have to send the message? Like if I send this command in a group, then it has to send message in a group. So first of all let's comment this all things to get to fetch our requirement, which is to find out the ID of the channel or group or anything in which you send the message. So run this and let's try. Let's say here dot pic and hi. It will print the, let's close this. If we print this and we will copy this because this is so ugly, so we have to find something from here. I think it is something like 2ID or 2 user ID or something like. So we have to search for 2 so that we can figure out 2ID, 2 message ID, 2ID. I think these 2 IDs are same. 2 IDs of 2 IDs are same. Message ID, here is nothing. I think this is the variable we are going to use, so I will copy this and for now minimize this. I hope it will give us the desired output. And note one thing, that I am using only .2id to get the 2id here, which is a note here. It's, I think here I'm not seeing there is, so just leave it. If you want to access the something in something other, like if you want to access the message, then you have to put dot message, and if you want to get the date, then you have to put dot message dot date, so you will get the date. I am only put it dot id because it is not in the message, it is in event. So I will save this and clear this out and run our script. And now pic hi dot pic hi, now it's returning us a user ID. Okay, let's try it in a group. Let's put here dot pic hi and it's returning a channel ID. Oh, okay, it's cool. Now it's returning the exact output we are expecting from it. We will close this and name this as a variable and use this variable in our code. Let's name it at 2id. You can say it as chat ID, 2id, anything you want to set. You can also set only id. So now I will comment this out and comment these all things, uncomment, sorry. And this is 2id event.id and paste here. And remember, you have to remove the double or single quotes. You have put it here where you have used me like this. You have put it me in double quotes or single quotes. you have to remove that single and double quotes if you know programming. And now I will run this, and now let's test it out by, let's put high, let's see what picture it will give us. Wait, I think my internet is slow and signal is also so much slow. You can see here Wi-Fi signal is not strong. Okay, it's sending picture, and let's check this in a group, check in my group. Okay, and one thing more, I have changed my group because my account of owner, I am the owner of the last group program for app, but my account is deleted, so therefore I have created the other account, not the other account, sorry, other group. So now I will send a picture, let's say .pic, and the hacker, this is trying to send picture of my user ID. Let's try it also. First of all, let's check if it, okay, it's working, and this picture is not related to hacking, really not related to hacking. I think their algorithm is not working, just leave it. Let's try something this guy is trying to do. Let's check if it will throw an error. No, it's not throwing an error. Okay, it's throwing a picture that is telling we could not find that picture. That's cool, that's really cool. Now let's try something else picture, and let's say it cyber. Let's see, wait for a minute. Okay, cyber. Now let's try to send picture of Facebook. Let's see. That's not related to Facebook, really not related to Facebook. Let's try it again, Facebook. You can use any API. I have used source unsplash API, you can use any API. Let's search for it, API for photos, source unsplash, and free image and video API. You can get this API, see what they say. Where is the API? Okay, api.pixel.com. search. Okay, not this, API dot what is the name, pixels.com, and after it anything, I think videos, I think let's say pictures, not population. How this API works, okay, I don't really know how this works. Videos, let's see, pictures over popular, not images, not getting anything. I think this will only give us the videos. Click on get started and see anything. Okay, I have to register, so just leave it. Okay, you can use any API, but I use source unsplash because it's free and very cool, and this is not really related to Facebook here, so just leave it. You can use any API like I have told you here, but only thing you want to notice is that all the APIs not work like that. Maybe the other APIs only get one keyword, and maybe other APIs not get any keyword. And you can also change the resolution in this. Okay, so you can also change the resolution if you want, but I don't want to change resolution. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and also share this video with your friends. And if you see this video helpful for you, then subscribe my channel and also share this channel with your friends. And I think this is enough for this video. Allah Hafiz, meet you in the next video.